this function was organized. And 1 week back, Srikant Garu, he spoke to me from United States, and he requested me to present for this function. So I'm very much happy to have interaction and to get this kind of honorable encouragement from the Anti-Corruption Bureau, and also particularly by NRE Srikant. So I was the complainant in 2 cases. So one is become that action abated, because during the pendency of the case, that accused was died, and in another cases, that the accused was convicted. So, of course, it is easy to give the complaint and to lodge the complaint, and preliminary that accused can be caught easily. But thing is, the main process is started after the issuing of FIR. And every complainant have been facing many problems, particularly by the accused. In my case, that accused who got convicted, so that case was pending for my evidence and witness evidence. So first, he has sent 2 anti-social elements at my residence. And I was not there, my missus were there, and forcibly they have entered into my house, and they want that Sri Nematullah Nizami Advocate should withdraw the case, or otherwise he will be responsible for the consequences. So that my wife, she started weeping and made a call to me. So immediately I rushed to the ACP office, and I met then IG Sri Bhattilal Meena. He was very kind enough. He encouraged me, and immediately he made a call to Mr. Gupta, who then DCP South Zone. So immediately, that actually that my residence comes under the Devilpura PS. So he instructed the concerned circle inspector of Devilpura Police to lodge the to issue the FIR. So means this is the problem that every complainant, I think, facing. After that, I think after 6 months, so one of the VIP of the Hyderabad, he contacted me. He requested me that, Mr. Nizami, please you don't go for evidence, that we will make you happy in lakhs of rupees. So I said, how much? So he said, 5 lakh rupees. Maiwala, okay, I think this is your last call. Huh? So I, being a VIP of the Hyderabad state, I respect you. But if you make another call to me, so straight away, I will file the complaint. So particularly the DSP of the concern and the investigation officer, lastly, I think that started, Sri Jagannath Reddy was there. And after he got transferred, Sri Venkateshwara Rao was become the IO. So he was very cooperative, and he helped me. That he used to make a call to me that Nematullah Garu, rape case undi miro ravale. Then okay. So I think I went 10 to 12 times to the court. But every time, I think 6-7 times it got urgent. But lastly, that my evidence has been disposed of. So this is the problems that every complainant are facing. But I think morning we used to wake up and we will have that breakfast, and we will be busy in our daily routine. But thing is, being a democratic citizen, so we have another responsibilities that we should look here and there. So what is going on in our surroundings, in our nations? I think those who love our country, definitely that person will fight for the corruption. So first we should love our country, because first we are Indian, then after everything. First we are Indian. We salute, we make a salam to our motherland, our country. Of course, I think that corruption is related with poverty and frustration of the government officer. But I think there are a lot to be done by the state government and also central government. So I'm very much happy to have this kind of function. And particularly, I'm very much happy with Sirikant Garu. Being a NRI, means he had a lot of very good progressive mind to help to encourage against the corruption. Thank you very much.